obviously we're going to come up with rent money and pay for the wedding. Yeah, I mean, we're going to be careful, of course, with that. This is just too good to pass up.
Well, how much do you reckon we get for it?
It's got to be a good couple of months rent there. Easy.
Fine, do whatever you
These are my mules. That's free. Look at that. You won't get much more colour. Sings Finch Note.
She's the only friend that Roxy's got around here from the London days.
Sings Finch Note.
Long shot, but she might have heard from her. I'm sure you're going to be alright with Matthew.
Beautiful. That's free in the room, Finch noted. Half Finch, half Canary, so he stays in kitchen. As I'm not a skanking person like the rest of them. My Canary noted birds stay with me. Absolutely beautiful, but fully Canary noted. So as I'm not a skanking person, I don't sell them on. Yep, they're all my babies I've bred so far. No mules, because I don't breed mules, I buy. There's my hen on 3 babies now. To her cock. He is a red Stafford. There in the back, to a yellow Fife. A red Factor cock. To a new colour. I don't know if you can see it, it's like a silver and a dun colour. Beautiful little thing. I know the cages look dirty, but it's that and Desi dust. So no dirt, no mites. There, that's a orange lizard. She'll be ready to lay her egg tomorrow with the cock. Now here I have a green 5 cock to a yellow 5 hen, and I've got red blacks. I've got variegated red and black. See the dust on the back. Here I've got a pair of rung siskins, which are very shy. Got a pair of lizards that are messing with the nest ball, but nothing else. Got Kenny, which is a Gloucester cock to a non-intensive red Factor hen on 4 eggs. And I think that is it. Thank you for your time. Look at that. And I will post again soon.